Experience speed, balance, and precision with the best trick scooter designed for riders who crave performance. Built with durable materials, smooth bearings, and lightweight decks, these scooters deliver control, agility, and style, perfect for mastering stunts at the skate park or on the streets. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. FREEDARE Pro Trick Scooter. The FREEDARE Pro Trick Scooter is an excellent entry-level choice for riders eager to sharpen their stunt skills while maintaining full control and balance. With a total height of 810 millimeters, this scooter is carefully designed to suit beginners, offering the perfect height between the rider's hip and navel for better comfort and posture. Its sturdy bar measures at by32mm by W24mm, H580mm, and the thoughtful design allows users to choose the width based on their shoulder size and trick preference. Narrow bars work well for bar spins, while wider ones offer better stability for no-hand tricks. The FREEDARE's 100mm by 24mm wheels are equipped with a durable plastic core that outlasts hollow designs while remaining lightweight. The smooth bearings ensure a quiet, fast, and stable ride, whether on the street or in the park. Riders will appreciate the scooter's overall balance between performance and durability, making it ideal for mastering spins, jumps, and transitions. Its well-engineered frame offers enhanced maneuverability, while the low-profile design supports better control and reduced fatigue. Number 2. Limit LMT69 Trick Scooter. The Limit LMT69 Trick Scooter delivers the perfect blend of lightweight design, high performance, and durability for both beginners and intermediate riders. Created by Limit, a trusted brand known for its precision-engineered stunt scooters, this model has been tested and refined by riders around the world. With 98% of the parts pre-assembled, setup takes just minutes, making it one of the easiest pro scooters to get rolling. Weighing only 3.3 kilograms, it's remarkably light yet strong, thanks to its chrome 1430 T-bar and T6 heat-treated aluminum deck. The handlebar measures 620 millimeters by 560 millimeters and features soft, comfortable TPE grips that enhance control and shock absorption during tricks. The AL7003 deck with an 83-degree head tube angle offers excellent balance and strength, while the 110mm by 24mm wheels with ABEC 9 bearings ensure a smooth and fast glide. The steel flex brake provides noise-free stopping power, boosting safety and precision. Number 3. Limit LMT71AZ Pro Trick Scooter. The Limit LMT71AZ Pro Trick Scooter is built for riders ready to take their skills to the next level. Designed for intermediate and advanced users, it features a higher bar and wider deck to offer more space, comfort, and balance during technical stunts. Despite its strength, it's impressively lightweight at just 3.8 kilograms, allowing for smoother trick execution and agile performance. Its precision SCS compression system ensures a firm, stable connection between components, reducing wobble while maintaining accurate steering control. The box-ended deck design enhances foot placement, giving riders confidence when landing complex maneuvers or grinding surfaces in the park. Assembly is nearly effortless, as the scooter comes 95% pre-built. Only the handlebars need to be attached. This convenience makes it ideal for riders who want to spend less time assembling and more time practicing. Built from durable, high-grade materials, the LMT71AZ ensures long-lasting performance and can withstand the demands of consistent training. Backed by a 6-month warranty covering key components like the T-bar, deck, and wheels, it also offers reliable support and peace of mind. Number 4. VOKUL K1 Pro Trick Scooter. The VOKUL K1 Pro Trick Scooter is designed for riders who take stunt performance seriously and demand top-tier quality.
This scooter features solid 110mm alloy neochrome wheels, a robust T6061 aluminum deck, and an advanced T4-T6 one-piece fork, offering unmatched strength and style for aggressive riders. The 88 APU high-rebound wheels and ABEC9 bearings ensure a smooth, silent glide across all surfaces, giving riders the speed and control they need for precision tricks like bar spins, tailwhips, and even double backflips. The handlebars, measuring 22.3 inches by 23.5 inches, are wrapped with 145mm soft rubber grips, providing superior comfort and better handling during high-impact moves. Stylish graphics in a sleek frame make it stand out at any skate park, while its sturdy construction ensures it can handle tough sessions without compromise. Assembly is hassle-free as it arrives securely packaged with a dialed setup. Just tighten 3 bolts and you're ready to ride. The VOKUL K1's performance and appearance make it a favorite among kids and teens who want a scooter that feels professional and looks bold.
Number 5. The Limit LMT01-V2 Trick Scooter. The Limit LMT01-V2 Trick Scooter exemplifies precision engineering and superior craftsmanship for riders who value both strength and lightweight performance. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum with T6 heat treatment, this scooter ensures long-term durability without adding unnecessary weight. At just 3.5 kilograms, 7.9 pounds, it's easy to handle while remaining strong enough for demanding tricks. The upgraded 127mm by 520mm deck offers extra space for stable footing, enhancing comfort and control during jumps and spins. Its 115mm by 26mm wheels feature high-precision ABEC9 bearings in 88A high-rebound PU for a fast yet smooth ride. The wheel's unique design with holes for reduced weight and increased grip adds both style and performance benefits. The standout feature is its high modulus alloy handlebar, which weighs only 0.9 kilograms but delivers 50% more strength than standard aluminum bars. Measuring 25.6 inches by 22 inches, it's the perfect size for teens and adults aged 10 and above. Limit's focus on rider-tested durability ensures a safe, responsive, and stylish scooter suitable for both park and street riding. With its modern design, reliable structure, and refined handling, the Limit LMT01-V2 stands as a high-performing choice for anyone passionate about freestyle scootering.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.